Hello everyone, welcome back to American Seconds. Today I want to walk you through some steps which you might find helpful, useful. It's about the Beastgrip Pro camera rig. It comes with an upgrade kit, and that kit is for iPhone 12 Pro Max and for the iPhone 13 series. This upgrade kit needs to be installed on the rig, and this is what I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So this is the upgrade kit for iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 13 series. Let's just open it. This kit is for the cameras because the cameras have a different bump size, and we need to install this kit to be able to properly use the lenses. So inside we have an Allen key, which is going to be very useful. We have some instructions, the mount itself. So this is the camera rig. We have to first unscrew these two to take it apart, and we need this part. We have to take these two other screws apart first using the Allen key. Once we manage to take them apart, the next step is to take this screw out, and by taking it out we will be able to release the handle. Once the handle is released, we can put it down, put the upper part down, and so the old mount comes out very easily, and we are ready to put in the new one. When putting it back, we just need to make sure that we have it in the right position for the camera to be with the bump inside. First the upper screw and then the two screws back in their place to securely mount the handle back. Once the three screws are back, we can just make sure that they are properly tightened, and then we can put the grip back together and tighten the last two screws back, and there we are. The kit is installed and ready to go for iPhone 12 Pro Max or iPhone 13 mini or Pro Max, any of the 13 series. This is how to install the upgrade kit. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please let me know below. I will happily answer, and I'll see you next time here at American Seconds.